Shalom everybody, it's me Amir, welcome back to GoOn Berlin, and first I would like to say I'm sorry I didn't upload videos for this channel for a long time because I started learning German again. Also the weather was kind of unstable, a lot of the days I wanted to go out and shoot, it was raining. Now the weather is perfect, the sun is shining, it's super hot in Berlin right now. And also this weekend in Berlin there is a very big and famous festival called Karneval der Kulturen, Carnival of Culture, and I would like to document it. The sun is shining, the weather is perfect, let's don't miss this opportunity and enjoy the festival right now.
This is Carnival 2019. I thank you all for coming here tonight. And I thank God for this beautiful weather. Good God, I proudly say I thank you for the good weather, the here by the beat. I thank you, dear Lord. I always go. Praise you, and I'm never gonna change, so never gonna stop from praising you. O do Dedé, invadir, nós nos alemães vamos se divertir. O que do Dedé eu vou dizer como é que é.
Too much. Yeah, so I know a lot of people enjoying this festival and that can be really interesting for tourists maybe, but in my opinion this festival is a little bit too much. Too many people are coming, too many people are getting drunk, and that can be fun of course, but I would like to criticize this festival a little bit. I think it's unrespectful for some cultures. I think this festival is very comfortable for people to experience what they call culture, but I think there is much more to it. There were 3 holidays not so long ago. Shavuot is happening right now with the Jewish holiday. Also Ramadan ended last week. And 2 days ago there was also a Chinese holiday called Dragon Boat Festival. And I didn't see anything related to those holidays in this festival in Kreuzberg. So to celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival and also not to leave you empty-handed, I would like to introduce you my good friend Jean.
Hello, I'm Jen.
Yeah, me and Jean are going to do something very special for you today. We are going to cook some Chinese food. What is the name of this dish again?
It's called Zongzi.
Yeah, oh, I love it. Zongzi.
Yeah, Zongzi is most famous Chinese food we made on Dragon Boat Festival.
Yeah, so we are going to show how we make it and hope you will enjoy it.
Okay, as you can see, we prepare all the things. So first one, this is the filling inside. This is mushroom, pork, and also with peanut. This is a bamboo leaf. This we will wrap this zongzi. And this you can see, this is like marinated sticky rice. My mother taught me before, but it's quite a long time ago. So yeah, hopefully I can make it today.
Yeah, let's see. Maybe I can teach you a few things also.
Okay, yeah, even Chinese.
Okay, look. Take 2 leaves.
Yeah.
Now the tricky part.
Yeah.
You need to fold it like a cone.
Okay, fold it.
Like this. We took the rice.
It's like love shape.
Yeah, it's hard. It's funny that I'm teaching you how to make it.
Yeah.
Then you put some filling like this, and then you add some more rice on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a really hard part. You need to hold it like this, put the 2 fingers, and then you fold it like that.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And now you just go with the flow of the leaf. So you need to wrap the leaf, and you need to be very, very tight. Now we need to tie it up. So we have some rope here. Actually, you need to hang the ropes, and then it's much easier. But we don't have where to hang it from.
okay,
what do we do? Let's try to do it like this.
Yeah.
Yep. And then we have the first Zongzi. Now 20 more to go.
Yeah.
Okay, and maybe the finished one we can put like this here on this plate.
Okay.
Not so hard, right?
Yeah, that sounds like very easy.
Okay. Okay, another one.
Okay.
Filling with some rice. The filling actually is made out of pork shoulder, peanuts, shrimps, and shiitake mushrooms. I will put the full recipe actually in the blog post, so if you want to make it yourself, you're welcome to check that out. We don't want any air pockets. Now that is the tricky part, to close the Zongzi. We need to push with 2 fingers. Now to close the top, like this. And then we follow the shape of the leaf. We do this fold like that, and we wrap it around. So again, very, very tight. And here we have it, another Zongzi.
Actually, Dragon Boat Festival started from 2,000 years ago, the time of Chinese wartime. It's called Chu Dynasty. One point, he wanted to save the country, because the country always wartime. But the king never wanted to take his advice, so he jumped the river. People said that's like we wrap a zongzi and throw into the river, so this hero can eat the zongzi.
And also they have other traditions for this holiday, right? It's not only eating Zongzi.
Yeah, anyway, it's called Dragon Boat Festival. In my hometown, we have dragon boats racing.
Oh, also here in Berlin.
Really?
Like in the channel, right where I live, there is like this Landwehr canal.
Yeah.
And every summer they have like boat racing.
Okay, but it's not dragon boat.
No, it's not Chinese. It's like kayaks or something.
Okay, kayak. Yeah.
Not enough. We need more.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Ooh, this one broke apart. This one is not
Too much rice. So tell me about your hometown. What kind of festival you celebrate?
It's a Jewish holiday. It's celebrated by Jews all over the world, also in Israel, also outside of Israel. It's actually considered to be one of the 3 most important holidays for Judaism, but it's not very well known. I'm not an expert about this holiday. I'm sorry I didn't do my homework. Like now it's the time of the harvest, so they went to the temple like 2,000 years ago to sacrifice a little bit of what they got from the land to the god to say thank you, I think. Maybe you can correct me if you know better. So in that holiday in Israel, actually, we eat a lot of fresh stuff, a lot of fresh vegetables and fruits, and a lot of cheese. It's becoming like a cheese festival in Israel somehow, like a lot of cheesecakes and fresh cheese. Cheese everywhere, yeah. It's everybody dressed white. So yeah, you prepared for Shavuot. You also dressed.
Oh, totally white.
So Jean, did you go to the Karneval der Kulturen, the Carnival of Culture?
On the way, I see many people go drinking and party.
What do you think about this festival?
It's really too much. Like a lot of people drinking, get drunk, and party. I really want something to culture things, like some performance or something. People holy beer and
there are a few performances actually, but I found this music a little bit popish, a little bit too mainstream and not really traditional. Berlin is a very international city, right?
Yeah,
like you can see people from all over the world. That's great.
Especially take the subway or S-Bahn, or you can all people speak different kind of language.
Yeah, it's a very special city.
Yeah.
For me, Berlin, every day the Carnival of Cultures.
Yeah, right.
The ugly ones are the most delicious ones. Yeah, we finished.
Okay, yeah.
So let's see.
How many we made it? Let's count it.
Look at this.
My God.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot. Whoa.
This one needs another treatment. Seems like one of mine's.
Yeah, the shape look like yours.
Now it's time to boil it for 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow. It's got bigger. Okay, that's better.
So delicate. Wow, it's very good. Let's see the feel inside. So. Wow, it's very nice. Okay, I try. It's good. Very good.
Like in China.
Yeah, it's very like authentic Zongzi. Very good. I think we made it.
It's delicious. This is really one of my favorite Chinese dishes. This is so good.